It's a new 2019 Ram 1500. Nature can be nasty, but this 1500 is built to take it on. It empowers you to conquer all of life's terrains. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Ram works hard, plays harder. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.